आज हम व्याकरण से जुड़े वाक्यों का रिवीजन करेंगे।
Sentence power. We will go through 11 sentence exercises. You have to choose the correct answer in the time given. We will explain the details before every exercise. These are based on all the grammar that you have learnt so far. Verbs, nouns, adjectives, prepositions, question words, and many more. The advanced module has two parts of sentence power. It is imperative, meaning it is important for you to go through both of them in detail. This will help you to form grammatically correct sentences. These exercises will make sure that you do not make any mistakes in sentence construction.
इसमें आपको सही ऑप्शन चुनने के लिए दिए जाएंगे 5 सेकंड्स। आपको हर प्रश्न को ध्यान से देखना है, सुनना है और सही जवाब जोर से बोलना है। हम आपके साथ साथ रहेंगे, तो घबराइए नहीं। अगर आपको सही जवाब ना आता हो तो 5 सेकंड्स के बाद सही जवाब भी बताएंगे। Do your best.
शुरू करने से पहले एक उदाहरण देखते हैं।
We went over, under, here, there. कौन सा जवाब सबसे सही है? ऐसे में कौन सा शब्द आमतौर पर इंग्लिश बोलते समय इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? आप इस सवाल को ऐसे सुलझा सकते हैं। आपका सबसे पहला ऑप्शन है अंडर। We went over under, यानी हम गए वहां नीचे। गलत है। We went over here, हम गए वहां यहाँ। ये भी कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है। We went over there, हम वहां गए। ये सही जवाब है। The correct answer is there. We went over there.
बहुत ही आसान है। Just be on your toes. Be alert and participate actively in saying the answers out aloud.
आइए हम शुरू करते हैं पहली एक्सरसाइज। यह आपको अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने में मदद करेगी। इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको am, are और is का सही उपयोग करना है। सेंटेंस के अनुसार आपको इनमें से एक को ही चुनना है।
Okay, so let's begin with our first exercise. This will take you a step towards speaking better English. In this exercise, you have to choose between am, are, and is. Please choose only one according to the sentences. Am, are, and is. If you remember, these words are from the verb to be, which you learnt in the beginners module. First person singular, I am. When you're talking about yourself. Plural is we are. Second person singular or plural, you are. Third person singular, he or she is. Third person plural, they are. This exercise is to give you practice in choosing the correct form of the verb.
She, nice, am, is, are.
The correct answer? She is nice. This is in second person singular. Here are some more examples to help you understand better.
She is walking. He is running. Raj is reading. ऐसे और वाक्य रोज बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए।
Make some more sentences on your own for practice.
There, some people waiting to see you. Am, are, is.
The correct answer is there are some people waiting to see you.
यहाँ are सही है क्योंकि इस वाक्य में people plural यानी बहुवचन का शब्द है। जैसे There are 4 apples on the table. There are animals in the zoo. There are no newspapers today. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगला प्रश्न है There some money to deposit in the account. Is, are, am.
The correct answer is there is some money to deposit in the account.
इन उदाहरणों को देखिए. There is rain today. There is no school today. There is a party tonight.
Notice the difference between examples in the previous sentence. The same word, there, is followed by are. But in this, we used is. Do you know why? You use are when the object is in plural. Apples, animals, newspapers.
Sheila and Ramesh. Coming. Is, are, am.
Sheila and Ramesh are coming. Look at these examples.
They are coming. 4 young boys are running. They are going away. अगला प्रश्न है it, impossible, am, is, are.
The correct answer is it is impossible. Just like these sentences. It is difficult. It is perfect for the occasion. It is not correct.
We almost ready to leave. Am, are, is.
The correct answer is we are almost ready to leave. We is plural, therefore you will use are. We are. We are brothers. We are members of the club. We are residents of the building.
He always friendly. Am, is, are.
So, did you get the right answer? He is always friendly. For example, Ram is very thin. Sheila is very tall. She is always angry.
You. To blame. Is, are.
You are to blame.
यानी तुम्हारा कसूर है.